Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at two great examples of mother of pearl dials, both on Rolex Ladies 26mm Datejusts. The one on the right is a beautiful light colored mother of pearl dial, and the one on the left is a darker mother of pearl dial, and these are both so gorgeous. I don't know how you could choose in between the two if you're stuck in the middle. The lighter one, as you can see, kind of looks like beautiful clouds with hints of light pink and green. And I think it pairs so beautifully with a diamond bezel, diamond hour markers, and this gorgeous jubilee bracelet. The darker one, on the other hand, I love because it's got this very dark purple, green, cyan shift in it, and it's got longer striations and texture in the actual mother of pearl, and to me it looks like a mysterious cave as opposed to clouds in the sky. It also looks great paired with a fluted bezel and diamond hour markers. I think both watches are great choices if you're looking for a beautiful mother of pearl dial, and I think Rolex makes some of the best examples of mother of pearl dial you can get on the market. So if either of these pique your interest, you should definitely check them both out at SwissWatchExpo.com and look at all of our other mother of pearl dials while you're there.